I want to put a map over here. So say I want to put a Google map to this page. Now it's work. Let's refresh the page. You can see we have the Google map here and we have the location over here. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to understand the Google Map API. Hey guys, this is Frank. In this video, I will show you another very useful AI agent, which is the Accio Work. Come from Alibaba.com. This is a very useful AI agent. It's mainly focused on the business workspace, such as build the e-commerce website with the Shopify. But after I look into more detail, I found that it's much more than that. It's something like the OpenCode. You could access your local file and do something like build the project, but this is much easier to deploy. The OpenCode, you need to do some configuration, but on this one, you just download the software and install it on your local. That it works. It's very easy to use. In this video, I just focus on convert my existing WordPress project to the Shopify with the help of the Accio Work. I will show you how to do this from very beginning. Okay, let's do that. Here is the beginning of the story. I always got some query from consultant company. They ask me, oh, your website have some problem, SEO problem, performance problem. Yes, I agree with that. I can do that by myself, but I have to log into my WordPress backend and change it over there to some SEO improvement. It needs to spend a lot of time. So I decided to switch to the Accio Work, which is much easier for me to create a new website. Okay, let's start download the software. Let's go to their website, accio.com, and download the software. So let's just click this one and install it. Okay, now let's sign in. Okay. Now we are here. I already have this account but cannot see the existing agent. So I believe Alibaba.com not save your agent data on the cloud. Everything is in your local. Even the same account, you won't see the history data. But if you look back to my old work machine, this one, I have a whole bunch of the work history here. But the one I just installed, you don't have anything. I think that is for the security purpose because they don't want to store your data on the cloud. Everything is in your local. So it's pretty smart and very secure. Okay, let's start. It already have some built-in agent. So let's just click this one to start. Let's say, okay, I need to convert my Navigator.com website to the Shopify website. Okay, if you already have the API key, just let it know. Let's click this one. So it will give you some instruction how to set up the environment. Just to follow that. If you already have the key, just put it over here. If you don't have, just create a new account, a new Shopify account. I already created this one. So let's go to the admin page. Go to the Shopify admin page. Let's remove this one. Okay. Now let's go to the online store and manage the app. Click the apps and deploy apps and go here. Now let's create the app. So this allows access the website. Okay, Navibot demo. Okay, let's do this one. You don't need to change. We could do it later. Permission, I would like to select all of them. Okay, let's pick up all of them. Okay, it's done. And let's release this one. There is one more thing you need to do. Go back to the setting. No, go back to the home page. Install the app. Okay, let's connect to the online store. Okay, click this one. Click install. Now it's working. This one is our domain name. So you can find your domain here. Now let's go back to here. Say here is my credential and the domain name. So let's find that. Let's go to the home page. Go to the setting page. Okay, let's copy this one, client ID and the domain name. Yeah. If you already have the account before, you just specify this API key and the secret. That is all you need. Just start. Okay. Now it's connected to your online store and do some change. It's very good. It looks like it's working, and it starts to convert my WordPress website to the Shopify website. Yeah, let's get the catalog, get everything working. Yeah, I need to allow this one. Meanwhile, let's go back to refresh the page. Yeah. If there's some change, you will see that. Okay, let's allow all of this one. The first step may need to take a whole bunch of time. Yeah, because you need to get everything from Navibot. Now it pop up something ask you the browser connection. It's required install some Chrome extension. Actually, this is very helpful when bug the web page. It's trying to understand what's the problem, so it need to have the Chrome extension. It's something like it could view what you can see, so it could look into more detail and find the issue. So let's do that. Let's go to this guy. Let's say Chrome extension. Okay. Now it will come with the instruction. So just go here and go back to here, drag this to here. Okay, it's working. So basically it's trying to understand what happened on your local machine. So it could help it debug the issue very well. Now it's done. Let's refresh the page. So you can see it looks very good. If you look at the original one, compare with this one, yeah, at least it works. So you can see over here. Let me show you something magic. So you can see the alignment is not very well. So let's do a screenshot. This alignment is not right. Please fix it. Please fix it. So just put the screenshot over there, and boom, it should work. Now let's refresh the page. You can see alignment. Oh, looks very good, right? It's much better than before, and it's very convenient. You don't need to go back to the back end and modify over there. Just use the vibe coding. So I will show you another magic. Let's go to the contact page. So this page, I want to put a map over here. So say I want to put a Google map to this page. This is magic. So you say, okay, put the Google map to this page. Now it's work. Let's refresh the page. You can see we have the Google map here, and we have the location over here. So you don't need to do anything. You don't need to understand the Google Map API. Just do the vibe coding. Just let the Accio know you need to add something over here. So one more magic. This could help you analyze the product and do the drop shipping. So if you want to sell something, for example, right now I sell the development kit, something like this. So if I want to sell another one, let's just say, okay, I want to sell the Jetson Nano Super. Please add it. Now the Accio will find that product and put to your website. This is very convenient. You don't need to try to find the photo, find the description, everything will be there. Yeah, it's very convenient. If you're doing the drop shipping, that's much easier. It will ask you which supply you want to pick up. For me, I want to pick up this one because this one is a cheap one. So say A. Now it's working. Let's refresh the page. You will see you have this one over here. So it's very interesting. You don't need even like copy the image, copy the photo, everything is ready. So just one prompt, get everything ready. This is a very useful. Okay, this is a quick demo how to get the Accio Work to convert your WordPress website to the Shopify website. It's very useful. I spent more time to get my site to work. So here is the real work. This is on my local machine. Actually, you could have multiple agents work together and work at the same time. You don't need to wait one task done and then do another task. You could just get them run together. I have a whole bunch of the tasks, and also you could use a different language. You could pick up the language which you feel comfortable, and you can pick up different popular LM. It's very useful and it's very powerful. Here is the final result. Let me show you the final result. This is the final result of our website. So I have changed the image, changed the photo. You don't need to go to the back end to change the photo. So it's very convenient. I will switch the website domain name to the Shopify, so you will see the final result looks like. It's very useful. I just take about half day to get this working, to convert everything from the WordPress to the Shopify. This is very nice. This is the most powerful AI agent I use. I already asked my team member also use this one because this is real powerful. It's not just for the e-commerce website, but also could do some other stuff, such as create a software project, create some Vue project, React project, and help me for the YouTube video, like create the title, create the description. Yeah, I probably will create more video talk about this one since it's very powerful. Just click the link in my video description so you could get the extra bonus credit. Yeah, it do need some credit. It will cost a lot of token, this one. So just click the link in my video description so you will get some extra credit. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.